Hi there, my name is Joshua Karen. So today we are going to be delving into the Maria database and how it relates to the field of database analysis. So the first quality we are going to be discussing is the end-to-end cloud database solution. So this database solution, what it does is it combines advanced database technology with cloud agility, customer support, and cloud services. So what that means in the context of database analysis is the end-to-end cloud database solution is essentially a one-to-many relationship with a mandatory cardinality constraint. Now, the phrase end-to-end represents the two specific entities of the cloud database. One of those entities is the cloud itself, and the other entity is the data that relates to the services and customer support on the cloud. Hence why the entity relationship is one-to-many, because it's one cloud in relation to multiple services and customer support options. Now, the reason the cardinality constraint is mandatory is because the cloud has to provide a variety of efficient services and customer support options in order for the cloud database to function properly. So up next, we have enterprise-grade reliability. So what that means is MariaDB aims to meet reliability, stability, and security requirements as a way of gaining trust from banking institutions and telecommunication networks. So this quality of MariaDB, it closely resembles a user-defined constraint in a relational database. This relational database, of course, being MariaDB. Now, this is due to the requirements being specified by the people who program the database, unlike an implicit constraint in which the requirements in that constraint are just automatically given by the code. That is not the case for MariaDB and its enterprise-grade reliability. So these enterprise requirements, reliability, stability, and security, they are represented as unique attributes, that is, for both the cloud and the service entities. So the last quality we have is the ability for the MariaDB to outperform the typical price that a database is given. So in other words, the MariaDB, it meets all the same database requirements as any proprietary database, with the only difference being, in the case of the MariaDB, it's just a fraction of the cost in comparison to the rest of the databases. So in the context of the analysis of databases, the entity is just databases in general. And the cost used by MariaDB in particular is a unique attribute of that entity because it is uniquely lower than the other price attributes. Now, the other price attributes, they would just be regular attributes. So that is all there is to offer about the qualities of MariaDB in relation to database analysis. Thank you all for watching.